How to rebuild the project. I want to change some codes like latest orders to recent orders. Then follow the documentation for more details. How to rebuild admin. Make sure that your domain name is set in NV file. And make sure that your domain name is set in next config. Then run the below command from your Chawkbazar Laravel project root. Enter your server username. My server username is Ubuntu. And then server and press enter. Wait a moment, it will your project rebuild and uploaded the server. If your server password protected, then enter your password. We don't recommended auto script process. If you found any problem, then you can try manual deployment process. Now refresh the page and you can see recent orders.